Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Shanghai Noodle meal kit, and it's made by the Mandarin Noodle, as you can see there. I got it on sale, and just check it out and see what's in there. There's the nutrient panel, here's the ingredients. So it does come with the soy sauce and the vegetables, so I'm going to cook it up and see how well it tastes. And let me open this package. Okay, so I opened the package. Actually, it comes with quite a few things. So you got the vegetables here. It does come with meat. So there's a piece of chicken and stuff like that there. And this, the sauce there. And then you got the noodles on the bottom there. So yeah, let's cook it up. I'll be back, guys. Okay, so here's the package. Here's the noodles, actually quite small. Here's the size of my hand. And here's the chicken, very small amount. You got the veggies there, and then you got the sauce. So I'm gonna cook it up, and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so here it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of fogging up my camera, but you'll see it's really small. Like this is like, I would say this is just like a meal or a snack for me. So here's the noodles. Let's do a quick taste test, shall we? There it is. Alright, taste test time. Like it's good. It's got that sort of like classic Chinese food flavor to it, but it's really small, and this is like I said, it's like a meal for one. You really can't like split it with like other people, so that's too small. All right, guys, other than that, it's pretty good. Definitely check it out. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.